Hey guys, so today I wanted to review the LilGadgets headset. Now this headset is made specially for kids, so if you're an adult looking for a headset, just know that this is made specially for kids. Now I got this headset for my little niece because she thought it was adorable. I thought it was adorable and she loves the color purple, so I got her in the color purple. But guys, this headset has so many cool features that I didn't even know about until I got it. I tested it out and I was like, wow, this is such a cool headset. So the first cool feature that it has is that it has shareable ports. So you're able to listen in to whatever it is that your little one is listening to. All you have to do is just plug in your second earphones or your second headset to one of the holes at the bottom, and then you're able to listen in to whatever it is that they're listening to. And if you have two children, perfect, they can listen to the same thing. Another cool feature that it has is that it is expandable. So if they like their headset a little bit more loose or more tighter, they can just tighten it back up. I really like that it is very comfortable. The earpiece is very soft and cushiony, so it's gonna feel very comfortable in their ears. I also like that the sound is kid-proof, so it's not super loud and it's not gonna hurt their ears. So it's kept to like a minimal. And my favorite part is that it is foldable. And it comes with a little bag for you to store it in, so you can just fold it and you can store it in and take it wherever you go. But anyways guys, really cute headset with cool features that I would definitely recommend.